Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about the best crypto exchange app in India. Now, I've been in the crypto field for quite some time, so I've used all the apps that I'll be mentioning in this particular video. And this is a comparison video between all of them. I'll be listing down all the charges, the ease with which you can deposit and withdraw money in it, features and my personal experience of using each of these applications. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be telling you about the exchange where you can buy Bitcoin for the lowest price. So the crypto exchanges that we'll be talking about here are Wazir X, Coinswitch Kuber, coindcx, ZebPay and Binance. Also, if you've already invested in cryptocurrencies or are planning to invest in one of them, then pause this video and let me know in the comment section below which one are you going to go with. And please write something other than Bitcoin. So let's finally talk about the charges of these crypto exchanges. Whenever you want to deposit some money or withdraw your cryptocurrencies, these apps charge you a certain fee for it. For your reference, you can check this particular table out, which has all the charges listed for these major crypto exchanges. Now, taking a quick look at these charges, you would have noticed that Coinswitch Kuber doesn't take any charges either on deposit or withdrawal. So it must be the best choice, right? Well, not exactly. Coinswitch Kuber, even though one of the best platforms to use for beginners and having quite an extensive list of cryptocurrencies to buy from, has various hidden charges with it. However, if you're a complete beginner and wanting to select a crypto exchange with the simplest UI, then this should be your first choice. Also, one more thing I'd want to point out is while using Coinswitch, I've noticed that it faces a lot of problems when you're trying to withdraw your cryptocurrency to some other wallet address. So if you're someone who frequently transfers crypto to some other wallets like MetaMask, then I'd recommend you to look for other crypto exchanges on this list. After this, we can see that coindcx has the lowest fees. It doesn't have any restrictions or fees when it comes to depositing money, and even while withdrawing your cryptocurrencies to some other wallet address, it just takes a fixed amount of 0.0005 Bitcoin. One more thing I'd want to point out is coindcx has two different applications. The one with the white background is specifically made for beginners. So if you're someone who is investing in the cryptocurrencies for the first time, then you should definitely check out coindcx beginner app. But if you're someone who wants to use the app to its full potential with features like lending, borrowing and even adding limits to your orders, then go with the Pro application, which is the one with the blue background. Then comes ZebPay. Now, ZebPay is one of the oldest crypto exchanges in India and was started in 2014. Its deposit fees is around 7 to 25 rupees, and for withdrawal you'd have to pay 0.0006 Bitcoin for crypto and 10 rupees for INR withdrawal. Next comes Wazir X, and this is the one app that I use a lot, especially because of its integration with Binance. Binance essentially invested in Wazir X, and that's why if you want to transfer cryptocurrencies between your Wazir X account and Binance account, then you don't have to pay any kind of fees. But as far as the UI of the app is concerned, it's not that great and would be quite overwhelming for beginners. Also, the deposit fees for Wazir X is 24 rupees, while the P2P transactions has no fees at all. P2P stands for peer-to-peer. To understand it, let's use an example. Say you want to buy 1 Bitcoin and there is someone who wants to sell 1 Bitcoin. Then Wazir X will connect both of you and you can transfer rupees directly to his bank account and get the 1 Bitcoin in your wallet address. Now, all the crypto exchanges that I talked about till now were from India itself. However, if you want to hold cryptocurrencies in a crypto exchange which is global, then go with Binance because it's currently the #1 crypto exchange in the world. It doesn't have INR deposits, but you can use P2P transfers on it. And of course, you can use Wazir X to buy crypto with INR and then transfer it over to your Binance account without paying any extra fees. Now let's talk about the maker and taker fees for all of these exchanges. Taker is the person who wants to execute his orders directly at the market market price, whereas a maker is the person who makes liquidity by executing limit orders. To understand this better, let's take an example. Say you wanted to buy one Bitcoin and the price of it is around $60,000. Now, if you buy Bitcoin directly at the current price, you will be called a taker. However, if you execute a limit order wherein you specify the exact price at which you want to buy Bitcoin for, say $59,900, then you'd be called a maker. Due to this, the liquidity of the crypto pair increases, and that's why maker fees is generally lower than taker fees. Let's start with the charges with Wazir X. Wazir X charges 0.2% for maker as well as taker fees. However, the added benefit to it is that there is no hidden charges for it. Also, Wazir X boasts one of the highest transaction volumes in India, so your transactions get fulfilled pretty quickly. Next is Coinswitch Kuber. Now, even though you can see that both the maker and taker fees here are zero, there are a lot of hidden charges accompanied with it, which go up to 1 to 2% of the transaction amount. So do look into that before buying or selling on this platform. Next is coindcx, and this has one of the lowest fees without any hidden charges. It takes 0.1% as both the maker and taker fees. There's not much to critique it on as it has no other charges and fills your orders pretty fast as well. Next is ZebPay. ZebPay has quite an unusual charging structure for a crypto exchange. It takes a fixed 0.15% as maker fees and 0.25% as taker fees. However, it additionally takes a subscription charge every month from someone who does not trade actively. Basically, if you've not done any transactions within a month on their platform, then it charges an additional of 0.0001 Bitcoin per month. Next is Binance, and it charges 0.1% as both the maker and the taker fees. It doesn't have any hidden charges, and if you hold BNB tokens in your Binance wallet, then these transaction charges go down even further. Now let's talk about which exchange provides you with the best prices for buying cryptocurrencies. The first one is of course Binance, because it's the leading crypto exchange in the world, and then comes Wazir X, and then coindcx, and then we have ZebPay. However, the exchange where you'll find the highest prices to buy cryptocurrencies is Coinswitch Kuber. You can expect a difference of around 5 to 6% while buying a cryptocurrency from Binance and then comparing it with Coinswitch Kuber. So which is the best crypto exchange? If Coinswitch Kuber didn't have these hidden charges, then I would have definitely recommended it for beginners. But I think even coindcx beginner friendly app has quite a simple UI for people who are investing in crypto for the first time. As for the people who have been in the crypto space for quite some time, Binance combined with Wazir X gives you all the features you need in a crypto exchange. So that's it from my side, and if you like this video, then you might also like this particular video that I did on all the apps that I have on my phone. So do check it out as well, and like this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more such updates.